What's up guys, it's Pete. I'm in the Infinity Label Group print lab again, and this time I'm going to be showing you how to replace the media on your Epson C3500 color label printer. Let's take a look. Once you run out of media on the Epson C3500, your display will read paper out, and the paper light will be a solid orange. If this happens in the middle of a print job, your status light may also be blinking orange. All you have to do to replace this, and in this situation we have our catch tray on, so I'm going to take this off to make it a little bit easier, is open this latch to pull down the front cover of the printer, remove your empty roll. If you're replacing it with the same width media, it should slide right into those guides. Pull it up through the front, close the printer, make sure it's centered as best you can, and the printer will begin working. Now that I've shown you how to replace a 4-inch wide label with another 4-inch wide label, I want to show you something a little different. Some people have different size labels, so what I'm going to do now is replace a 4-inch wide label with a 3-inch wide label. The process is essentially the same, but this time we're going to use some of those guides that you saw inside the printer to make that label fit nice and snug and make sure our prints are accurate every time. Our process is essentially the same as last time. We're going to open this latch and take out the old roll. Now, I'm not sure how well you could see it in the other video, but there's a blue latch in here, and that controls this spring-loaded mechanism that holds the roll in place. So this time what we're going to do is take our 3-inch wide roll of labels, we're going to open that spring, pull the labels out a little bit like we did before, and let it get nice and snug between those two guides. Once the roll is firmly in there, we're going to push down on this latch to lock it in place. This way the roll doesn't move back and forth, and your labels are consistent and accurate. Again, we're going to pull it up through the top, feed it through the middle. As with before, the printer will feed out a little bit of paper. Now that the printer's done its head maintenance, there's one last thing we want to do. Before you cut this label off, we're going to lift up and press down on this tab. What this allows us to do is move these guides on the outside. We'll be able to get them snugly around the label. Lift that up again, pull the tab forward. Again, this just makes sure that the label is being fed out straight and that your prints keep coming out accurate. Now we can cut this off, and we're all done. Thanks for watching our video on replacing the media on your Epson C3500 color label printer. If you need ink, labels, or a maintenance box, please check out our website, infinitylabelgroup.com, where we've got everything you could need to keep your printer up and running. If you want more information on our printers, contact us through IPSiscan.com. This has been Pete. I hope to see you next time.